Well, that time lapse turned out to be a dud. Hopefully the rest of the day isn't that way. And we're off to face a new day. What's interesting about today?
No more making videos on YouTube. Bad boy, bad boy, bad boy.
I don't know if I trust this one. I hadn't done a video in a while and went to bed last night. I was like, I'm gonna do something different tomorrow. So that's what I did. Got up, started a video. What a beautiful morning. I don't know if this video is gonna have a point other than it's a new day. Let's do something new. Lunchtime, except I didn't pack anything, so you get to see how I make lunch. I'm gonna go to the store, grab some steak, and I'm gonna cook it on the tailgate of my truck. Right there. That is my thermometer, and I just set it right here. It's a good long-range thermometer. Now it's going to beep at me when it beats at the right temperature. So that's how I do lunch every day. Alarm's going off. That means that lunch is ready. Cleanup time. Decided to rain out there. Yabba dabba doo, out of work we go, like the Flintstones. And I almost forgot that I'm going to California on Sunday night and I need to take some drawings with me. So grabbed them and we're off to the races. Get the kids and go start the weekend. This remote little thing's scared. That handle's getting all messed up. Time for a new handle. Alright, so this just turned into a crazy day. Heading now to go get a pizza for the kids, bring it back, grab my bags, then I'm heading up to my buddy's place at a cabin on Lake Michigan, catch up with him. It's gonna be a crazy weekend because then I'm packing bags. I'm heading to California. We got birthday parties to go to. Oh! Good news about all this chaos is that it looks like I'm probably going to see a sunset right on Lake Michigan. That's good. All right, so the kids are fed. They got beds, grandma's with them, Homa. Now it's time for me to hit the road, and with a little luck, I'll catch that sunset right on the lake. So I just got to my buddy's place. It's a cabin right on Lake Michigan. Gonna walk out. The walk out here is amazing. I've been coming out here for 25 years to visit him when he's in town, and really looking forward to catching up. Didn't expect to end up here today, but here I am. To close out the evening here, lightning and thunder's rolling in to the beautiful sounds of AC/DC. You know the drill, work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home.